How to make face mask tutorial. Materials and equipments needed. Fabric. Fabric marker. Scissor. Ruler. Fabric clips or pins. Template. Don't worry, I will show you how I made the template. Thread that matches the fabric. Sewing machine. Surgical face mask. We will use this as a guide to make a template. Bias tape maker. If you don't have bias tape maker, you can either fold the fabric and iron. You can buy a ready-made bias, use an elastic, ribbons, or you can use a shoelace. It depends on what materials are available with you at home right now. First step. We will make a template using the surgical mask. Fold the mask into half. Spread the middle section, then trace the mask in a cardboard. Next step, add a half-inch seam allowance around the pattern. Draw a pointed curve on the nose part and little curve on the chin part. This will help to seal the mask on your face. Depending on how much layer of fabrics you want, you can put your fabrics together so you can cut them all together. I made 3 layers of fabrics on the mask, so I cut 4 of the lining fabric and 2 of the outside fabric. Put your cut fabrics together. If you want 3 layers, you will put 2 fabrics together on one side, then single on the other side. Sew the fabrics together. Stitch the curved side of the fabric. Stitch the other side of the mask. Since I made 3 layers of fabrics, this side is just a single of fabric. Put the 2 fabrics right sides together. Sew the curved side of the fabrics only. Put the right sides of the mask together. Secure it with fabric clips or pins. Sew the 2 fabrics together. Sew the curved side of the fabrics only. Next step. Turn the right side out. How to make the bias. Cut 1 inch width of fabrics. Then connect the fabrics by sewing them together in a right angle or 90-degree angle. Make sure that the connections are all the same direction. Sew it in diagonal. cut the tip of the fabric following the length of the bias tape maker. Fold the bias into half and iron. Note the setting of my machine and my pressure foot. Wrap and store the bias into a cardboard. Cut 4 cuts of bias that measures 15 inches long for the tie of the mask. Tack in the edge of the mask about ½ inch. Secure it with a fabric clips or pins. Then insert the tie in all the corners. Secure it with a fabric clips or pins. Sew the tie with the mask. Double stitch on the tie part to make it sturdy. I hope you learned from my video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.